Fall in love thousand times, but never succeeded. I created memories, write poetries, novels on them. They remain characters of my stories. Sometimes those four letters, love, don't have enough power to describe. My feelings enhanced little by little, and that loss created loneliness within. Now there's a big void, huge desperation of love. We accept the love we think we deserve. I'm seeking for validation. My eyes are curious like a child who is searching for hope here and there. Oh Cupid, I'm tired of all this. Giving me a little peace, maybe a tiny bit of love. Cut this hangover of love and make me sober. Oh, the universe tells me you listen my prayers. There's a pile of ash of my love which I burnt earlier. I want to touch the sky. Make me a bird so I can fly to leave this mess forever.